Hi guys! Welcome to a special Throwback Thursday edition of Crack'n Paks. We're coming to you from the Jersey Shore today. What we have here is a 5th edition Magic the Gathering pack from 1997. It's already opened, obviously. It was opened back then, but the cards are untampered with. This is basically what you would have seen if you bought this pack in 1997. So we're going to do a throwback episode of Crack'n Paks. Alright, let's look at the pack. So, what we have in this pack is, first of all, a lot of land. This is all land. You can see almost half the cards in the pack, basically. So many cards are land. This is how these packs used to come. We're just going to set these aside and not go through them. You used to get a rule book with the pack. This is telling you the rules of the game, which now you can look up online. It used to come with this. And you can subscribe to the duel list, it says on the back. I wonder what would happen if we turn that in now. What do you guys think? You can tell us in the comments. Here's our rule book. We'll put that aside. And I know that our deck has 3 rares, so I'm going to set those aside before we look at the pack. I'm going to drink of my White Claw hard seltzer first. Alright, so let's look at our Magic 5th edition pack here. See what we got. Samite Healer. Flood. Barbed Sextant. I love this vintage art. Giant Spider. Terror. Dwarven Warriors. Ironroot Treefolk. Pikemen. Those men with their pikes. Vampire Bats. Death Ward. Very cool guy. Looks like Keanu Reeves on that card. Memory Lapse. This is great art as well. Bog Imp. Incinerate. Aeson Bureaucrats. Goblin War Drums. War Mammoth. Circle of Protection, black. Urza's Power Plant. That's a cool card. Valuable common card. Frozen Shade. Ironclaw Orcs. Foxfire. Hipparion. Brainwash. Vidalian Soldiers. Funeral March. The Brute. This is funny art as well. The Brute. Cave People. Iron Star. Circle of Protection Artifacts. Segovian Leviathan. Fallen Angel. Detonate. Winter Blast. Throne of Bone. And Sea Singer. Summon Merfolk with that card. Now, take a drink here. White Claw hard seltzer into grapefruit. Spike your water. Now we've got 3 rare cards today in this pack that we're going to look at. We've got Order of the Sacred Torch. pay 1 life, counter target black spell. We've also got a Darker Wastes. You can add 1 colorless mana to your mana pool. So it can be what mana you want. Zombie Master. All zombies gain Regenerate and Swamp Walk. That's our final rare in this deck. Our vintage 1997 5th edition Magic deck. We want to hear from you in the comments. Would you play any of these cards today? Do you think any of them should be reprinted? Which of these cards do you like? I hope you enjoyed this Throwback Thursday episode of Crack'n Paks. Keep cracking them packs. Keep crushing that like button. Keep subscribing. Bye, guys.